Please, starting. Please.
This thing you're doing, do you think it's right?
I need to tell me what is right. Don't I know what is right for me again? What is your problem?
The person in question is your husband, the man you claim you love.
Now your husband? No, is he your husband? Don't tell me you are liking my husband though. I'm beginning to suspect you, this girl. Your eye no good though. These big eyes you have.
I'm covering a lot in this house and I'm scared already.
What are you scared of? Have you forgotten how we terminated that stupid girl? I gave you 1 million naira.
You killed her and you gave me 1 million to shut up. I wasn't part of it.
Okay, fine.
Just an eyewitness.
It's okay. You know what? Once this is done, I will transfer 3 million naira to your account. Just for you to zip your mouth. I'm serious. Have you forgotten it's you?
I know 3 million is a huge amount. It will change my life in a slip and I don't know how to say it. Slip of finger, right? Yes, slip of finger. Everything will change. I'm not convinced yet though.
You're not convinced yet? Okay. What do you want? Like, what do you want me to buy for you? What do you want me to get?
Space life. I'm scared of, I'm scared.
Ruth, don't get me angry, please. I'm trying to make sense here. I will give you any amount you want. Let's just do this before my husband will come out. What is it? Why must you act now?
Let me see the money first now. The money was strengthening me. You want to transfer the 3 million?
That's what I want to. You said you want to see the money first now. You think I'm joking here?
Oh, like for real, you're transferring 3 million naira to my account?
I will do it just now. Done. You can confirm. So can we?
No, just like that.
You have your phone there, right? Just confirm.
No access bank and network. Let me check my balance.
You're wasting my time. You know I cannot cheat you. And it's just 3 million naira. Jesus, what is it? Can you talk now?
3 million.
You've seen it. I told you, just 3 million. If you need extra, I will give it to you. Let's just do this, okay?
No problem. This is family problem. Family matter.
Just stop talking. You're wasting my time.
Anyway, it's your husband. If you choose to kill me,
be careful so you don't spill elsewhere. I don't want to die.
You should have done it yourself now.
Do it yourself. Add more. I don't want. Maybe now you'll survive it. I can't wait. What is it? Is your husband that is going to die? So why you keeping? Mind, I'm not touching it though. You know I'll eat. Go into the kitchen and now rinse your hands. What is your problem, this girl? J1, go now. I've still told you I've given you the money you asked for. Go. No problem, Gigawa.
You killed your husband. You killed your husband, though. Real nonsense.
Enemy of progress.
This is so beautiful. You prepared all this for me.
It's me now.
Watermelon, cucumber, and you bought this. Is it because I shared some of my properties in your name?
No, babe. You know I love you. I couldn't contain my happiness. I said just fix something for you to make you happy too.
This is so.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Is there a problem?
Any problem? Sure.
What is it?
Sir, you can start with the fruits.
The fruits, okay. So, Bob, you are not needed here, so why are you here?
Sir, I'm not needed.
Ruth, can you go to the kitchen? That is where you belong. Please go back into the kitchen.
He said I didn't belong in the dining. I'm going back to the kitchen.
Go now. Let me eat this food in peace.
Okay. Sir, are you sure you don't need anything?
Ruth, please just leave. I need space with my husband. Gawa, go.
If you need getting another meal, I can easily go and get you another meal.
Come on, get that from me also. You want to serve my husband another meal?
Calm down. Baby,
I don't understand. What is her problem?
Any issue?
It's like you're tired of this work. Oh. I'm beginning to get tired of this.
Are you alright? Is there anything the matter?
The glass is empty. Can I turn water for you?
Don't worry. When I need it, I'll do that myself. No.
Please.
Have you not given her own food?
I don't know her problem. Just leave.
You want to share with me?
Share. Babe. Let you know what I'm thinking. Which one is my name to share with you?
You see, sometimes I like doing so I can. It's okay. Just go. She will bring your own. Just go. Babe, can you just calm down? Sorry. Do you know my character? You know I don't have a heart. I have a very good heart. You know I take everybody as help.
She's making me look like a bad person.
It's okay. It's okay. Can we enjoy our meal?
Okay, maybe.
Can we? Yeah. Wow. I like this watermelon. This one.
Sweet.
This one right very well. Very reddish.
Baby, you're not eating your food.
Oh, let me use this one too.
Okay.
I will.
Take your time.
Where do you buy this one? Which market? You buy it on the road?
No.
Okay. Sorry. Wow.
Sir.
You are here again. What's your problem?
Ma, the gas in the kitchen is not
Your
functioning.
village people. Go into the kitchen.
The gas is not functioning.
Go into the kitchen.
What is it?
Baby, don't mind. Just eat your food, okay?
Ma, I don't know if we need to refill the gas.
I will refill gas on top of this meal that I'm eating. Now, what is this girl's problem now?
Just go. No worry, it's okay. I will. She said the gas needs to be refilled. Just after eating, I'll give you some money. You go to market.
Sir, are you sure you wouldn't want to
God.
try?
Oh, are you deaf? I said go now. I will give you money once I am done eating this delicacy. I will give you money. You refill it.
So there's a solar soup in the fridge.
Get out!
So there's a solar soup in the fridge.
I will leave this food for you. I will leave this food for you. Don't come back here again. Allow me to enjoy this food.
What's
okay.
this? Why is she behaving abnormal today?
It's okay. It's okay.
Gas, what?
It's okay. Can you just calm down?
Baby, I think it's high time we serve this girl. I'm uncomfortable.
No, it hasn't gotten to that. Okay, it's okay. Can you eat?
Don't worry, I will deal with it. You like?
This is nice. Very sweet.
Thank you very much.
This one, I'll be eating it and I'll be taking the fruit to digest it. I'm enjoying it too.
Thank you, my love.
As we're eating, also be eating this one.
I know.
Life is good.
And sweet.
And sweet.
Eat. If you need extra, I can get extra.
So you're eating already?
Is that for me?
So
This girl is getting on my nerves.
It's okay.
What is this?
It's okay.
Today is one of my happiest day. And why is she trying to ruin it for me?
Sorry.
Oh, God.
Okay, Mama. My beautiful wife. Enjoy your meal, okay? It's okay? My second wife. My second wife. My second wife.
You're phenomenal. Why?
Enjoy yourself. My second wife will cook me.
I've cooked you.
You have cooked me.
How did I cook you, baby?
You don't know what you have prepared for me. My favorite.
It's okay.
As I'm enjoying, enjoy.
Okay. Wow, this chicken is very sweet.
Has it entered? My second wife. My second wife. Enjoy yourself.
This life is very sweet.
Very good.
Macaroni may be a form of it.
Nobody can destroy it. I'm confused. I don't know which one to take again. I don't know why your maid is. Maybe you should also join us. You should have.
So, I hope you're enjoying your meal.
Very delicious. Very delicious. Did you follow her to prepare this food?
So, I've always been in the kitchen.
You assisted your wife?
So I cooked the meal.
Maybe is that true?
We are overfeeding this girl. That's the only thing I can say. You prepared this meal. You.
Maybe she doesn't know what she's saying. But even if she does, whether she or you, as long as this thing is delicious, I don't care.
Can she just get her from this dining? I need my peace of mind. What is your problem? Can you know?
It's okay. Take a bite. I'm sorry.
I do not want to take my last bite.
I'm a general person.
What do you mean by that?
I'm a general person.
What do you mean you don't take your last bite?
What I mean is that I can actually take a bite and you send me out of the house, and that might be my last bite.
Yes. This is right.
Babe, please tell this girl to get out before I lose it.
It's okay.
Tell how to get out.
So I'm going before she will call me. She'll already stop me up and go.
My second wife, huh? My second wife. I love you so much. Calm down. You know, sometimes all these made people, they can act nothing. But it's okay. Just follow them with peace and loyalty. And life goes on. Nothing. Trouble. It's okay. My second wife. Enjoy yourself.
That girl just want to spoil my own. But I overcome.
Yes.
Temptations here and there.
Here and there.
I swear. Okay.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her. My second wife. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, just drink water before I go. Are you alright? What is it? I was telling you to calm down. Don't follow her to talk. Now the food has stand. Calm down. Breathe well. Breathe well. Breathe in. Roots! Roots!
Sir!
This is getting out of hand. Stop. Roots! Stop. On this side, please. On this side. Stop. What is wrong with you, madam? Sorry. What is going on here? What is going on?
Confess! Confess! Confess now! Confess now! Confess now! Confess! 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 Confess!
Are you okay?
Poison your food.
You poison my food? You poison my food?
We poisoned your food.
My food? My food? You poison my food then? What is it? Do you know anything about this?
They said the penalty of evil is death.
What is it? Can you just stop? People are confusing me. Your mother poisoned my food.
That is why.
Is there anything I should know yet?
A lot. That is why I'm going in and out, because I know all is not well. All is not well.
I got it.
Your late daughter. I was responsible for her death. to terminate her life. I planned it with our Maid.
What you meant? Me?
Hey! Is this the kind of people I'm living in this house?
Okay, maybe not. I'm innocent.
You connived with her. You conspired with her against my child.
Okay, I swear I don't know.
Okay.
No. Okay, let me tell you what happened.
You meant like this.
Okay.
Tell me why. Start talking.
Okay.
Start talking.
I saw her. Okay. Hey! Okay. I swear to God, I did not touch her. I did not do anything. But I'll tell you the truth. That night, that night that she was calling you, that she doesn't know what is wrong with your daughter. On the night she cried out. But then I didn't know what was happening. Then I saw her making call. She was like, the poison was effective. That she had disposed the injection. I shouted Jesus. So the Jesus she overheard me.
And she bribed you. She bribed you after killing my daughter. It was not as if that is enough. You also conspired with her to poison my food.
Okay, I did not conspire with her.
But she just mentioned your name.
Okay.
Speak.
Did you know why I did not speak?
Oh, yeah, talk.
The last time I came, I noticed something, but I was confused.
Then why is it that she was not the one that died? If she has poisoned mine, then that means I would have been dead by now.
Yes, it's because of the property that you have willed, everything that you have willed in our name. So it was an opportunity for her to escape with the money. I tried to beg her. She said it's not my business. But the plate. Okay, this is the plate I serve you with. This one.
This one?
Yes. So I was confused that time. When I came back, the plate was here. So I did not know. No. Why are you shouting? Your child?
You're here?
Yes, I'm the one that is sharing the food.
Hey! Daughter's love. Hey! Daughter's love. You mean you saw them poison my food?
Yes.
And you exchanged the food?
Yes.
Hey! Now that everything is clear to me. Hey! Daughter's love.
So what is going on?
I must get you arrested.
Oh, God, me nonsense.
Forgive your maid. The reason why she connives with your wife because of love and family. Your wife bribed her. The wife gave her 3 million. That is why she accepted to do that. Forgive her.
I should forgive her.
Yes.
Thank you. So this